Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to bid on treasury bonds. So this is another topic regarding on how to bid. So first, to buy a treasury marketable security or a bond basically for treasury. So right here, the first thing you will have or you can need to have before you bid is you will have your treasury direct account for non-competitive bids only right here, and a bank or a broker or a dealer for competitive and non-competitive bids. So you can no longer buy through Legacy Treasury Direct when you schedule the purchase of a marketable security in Treasury Direct, because you don't know the interest rate, and the interest rate is determined at auction. So it's pretty hard to tell. So each auction is specific for a type of security, which is identified through SUSIP number, and a marketable security is a treasury bill, treasury note, or treasury bond, TIPS or FRN. So it's pretty hard to actually just get and secure a treasury bond, but you can actually go ahead and get one through Treasury Direct. So buying in Treasury Direct is pretty simple. So you have to open an account with them, and then when bidding in non-competitive bids, you are guaranteed to get the security you want in the amount you want, and you can also agree to accept the discount at a higher rate or higher yield or a higher discount margin in the determined auction. But you can also submit a bid in the Treasury Direct to bid. So you only have to go to your Treasury Direct account and then go to Buy Direct tab, and then follow the prompts to choose the security that you want and to buy the treasury bond that you want. So you have to fill out the information, of course, and the treasury marketable security requires a minimum bid of $100, and you can also increment that with $100 up, and maximum of $10 million for a non-competitive bid. So it's pretty simple to bid on treasury bonds. So all you have to do is go to treasurydirect.com, make an account, and you can bid there. So there you go, guys.